Crossing the bridge over the highway this morning, M3 in South England. As you can see, 3 lines there and 3 lines there. That direction going to London. It's not so sunny today though, but that's how does it look like. Interesting thing actually. The shot has the look like inside the British airport. They are all. This is London Stansted. Gonna fly by Ryanair. Gate 86. I barely make it, but I made it anyway, so that's cool. I'm gonna fly by Ryanair. Unfortunately, all the flights sold out, so no other choice. Legendary Ryanair. If you are from Europe and going between UK, Ireland and stuff, you should know that. Into Ryanair, same like in Asia, basically, technically. Local AirAsia, like I said, it's like in AirAsia, basically. Sitting at the front this time. Somebody will sit here, will squeeze, but it's okay. But outside looks so, I'm gonna tell you. So. Don't really into British airports though, to be honest. I think it was a good crack in general. Yeah, always fun to travel. Always. Going to have some lunch, pizza maybe. This is the underpass. I'm gonna tell you the Gdańsk is definitely much busier than Poznań. That's without any doubts. Totally different. I'm to the Dworzec Główny, which is the Grand Station here in Gdańsk. I have a 1 hour and something actually. I'm gonna grab some food. Perhaps didn't eat anything today though. My train is at 5:55. Grand Station actually nice. Have to come with Winnie one day to Gdańsk. Promised her already many times. Looks like this one actually nice. Totally different than in Poznań. That's the KFC in the old building, and somewhere there is the mall, I guess. Old Town is also nearby actually. So this is it. This backstage, but we are still in Gdańsk. So in Gdańsk will be a lot of little canals, water, a lot of stuff like this one. Little bit like Amsterdam perhaps. Definitely we're gonna come here, maybe on the weekend, but maybe not next weekend, soon. I think this is my pizza shop. I don't know what's going on, but this restaurant have a lot of people outside actually. And that's like somewhere I'm going for pizza. Or maybe this is the place. But the good thing is, as I work, but I still can travel. Like when we go by car to London, I visited 6 countries: Poland, Germany, Belgium, Holland, France and UK. 6 countries in less than 24 hours. That's cool. And now I'm supposed to go to Berlin this afternoon actually. But actually I'm in Gdańsk. So this is like unpredictable. Some people may don't like it, but for me it's actually cool. Something different. So this is a little bit of the city center of Gdańsk. That's the Grand Station, trams. Actually I go on the other side, and then there is already the entrance to the old town. Basically, this next time most likely I will come with the car. Somewhere this is like a complex of shops and the mall somewhere. Looking for pizza shop somewhere nearby the market square. Actually, yeah, somewhere old town. But it started raining unfortunately. Damn. That's still nice. It's raining outside, but there is no problem because I have some decent pizza. Finally. So good. And this is how does it look like in that grand train station here in Gdańsk Główny, which is the Grand Gdańsk station. Not too busy though. There's the station, that's the platform number 1, waiting for the train. About 3 hours going to Poznań. Let's see how's the train gonna look like inside and outside. Some train with the goods crossing like this one. Actually so close, huh? Nice. Wonder what they carry, huh? And that's my train to Poznań, actually arriving right here, right now. Intercity. It's been so many years when I was going here last time. Mine is the first class, but no seat reversed, and I think first class is at the end of the actually train, because the second class is so strange. No seats, but at least it's
everybody, just another day in Poland, right? So I just had my shower today. It's about 2 in the afternoon, and I just decided to have a go to the one Piengkarnya, just down there. I'm in the down of my apartment, so I'll show you how it is. So this is the situation of my neighborhood at 2 in the afternoon, and I decided to go to the bakery next to it, and I bought this one of this. So see, wherever you go, so this one is the milk bar and this one is the Piengkarnya or bakery shop. So this one is the Yagoda Drozduvka. Drozduvka is actually the sweet buns, and on the top here is the blueberry. I eat this one as a dessert, or you know, some Polish people eat this one as the breakfast or a dessert. And this one is actually one of my favorite pastries in Poland. So good. So I just got my Drozduvka, and then I feel like I need to have a coffee. So today I decided to buy a coffee in Zapka next to our apartment. Well, here, especially in Kościelna, if I'm not mistaken, there are 5 Zapkas here along the road. It is quite hot today, but yes, again there is windy. There is the like a pizza restaurant. Next to it is Zapka. I think I will buy my coffee there. The sound of the hot cappuccino and the milk, and the smell of hot cappuccino. So good. After I had a coffee, I decided to go to library because later on at 6 actually I will have a meeting with my friends, and I also will attend one kind of a conference from one Polish family who lives in Guatemala. So yeah, to kill the time, I just decided to go to the library basically. And today Damian is flying back home. Yay! So after the meeting, I'm gonna pick up Damian in the train station. Right, so now I just arrived in the Nowy Rynek building again because we're gonna attend the kind of conference meeting like that in this one of the building. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna have inside later. So here we are in Nowy Rynek. Actually, so many office building and skyscrapers here, and we're gonna meet them in the one room somewhere here. I'm looking for it. So I'm inside the room, actually inside this building. We are queuing.
So maybe actually it wasn't about impressing those people, maybe that...
Tam Błażej mówił takie rzeczy, że nigdy nie rozmawiał, nie miał okazji rozmawiać o tym filmie z polską publicznością, czy w Polsce z publicznością. Powiedz nam o tym zdaniu.
Zdanie. No, premiera tego...
Wow, that was a beautiful sharing by Boise. Yeah, I really like the movie basically, and now I think that I need to pick up my husband Damian because this building is actually close by the Poznań main station. So yeah, let's go. So here is the schedule actually. So we will go to parent number 3, platform number 3. Look at this man. Finally.
How you doing?
I miss you so much.
I miss you, Saya.
Right, I think that's all our video today, guys. It's time to go home.
It's been a very long day, isn't it?
Yes, thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow.
Bye.